Good evening. Welcome in daily UPSC editorial audio program. Vulnerable NRIs, the Times of India. Bleak for perks. Now the full editorial. Vulnerable NRIs, the Times of India. There is too little understanding of what is driving the surge in Indians opting for illegal immigrations. A Times of India editorial. A, play, a plane load of mostly Indian returns to Mumbai over allegations of first human trafficking and then illegal immigration. Dubai to Nicaragua legally, and finally and most likely to the US illegally. Of the 303 passengers of the chartered flight grounded on the refueling stop at a French airport last Thursday, 276 landed in Mumbai Tuesday. The passengers included many Gujaratis, Punjabis, and some Tamil speakers per reports, not human trafficking. Uh, French authorities French authorities will reportedly continue to investigate the case more as illegal immigration and not human trafficking, since the judges concluded passengers were on board of their own free will. Numbers growing. There is an alarming surge in Indians trying to illegally enter the US. A US custom report showed a five-fold increase last few years of both with papers and undocumented Indians, from a little less than 20,000 in 2019 to 2020 to almost 97,000 in October 2022 September 2023. Who are they? Several communities and districts in Punjab and Gujarat are long established immigrant hubs, both legal and illegal. It's worth noting both are among India's better off states. Gujarat's per capita income was rupees 2.5 lakh, seventh highest among Indian states. Interestingly, of Indians legally going overseas for job, Gujarati immigrants make up a mere 1% of Punjabis 3%. Here, the bulk 32% from are from UP, paying and dying. The Paris episode shines a harsh light on how little investigation has gone into understanding the many factors pushing Gujaratis and Punjabis to leave India by paying good money to human smugglers. In 2023 alone, two families were killed making the journey of nine Gujaratis missing this year after reaching the Caribbean. Only one's family contacted Gujarat police. The ideal to send the individual to the US was rupees 70 lakh. Take it seriously. Persecution is reportedly a reason given by asylum seekers in Paris, while US Customs said those arrested cited fears as a reason. Extreme visa backlogs is another reason. Government of India must seriously commission and exercise to get behind what is pushing Indians in certain districts to risk both savings and lives. Bleak for perks. Traffic uh, traffic gridlock hill stations. Bleak for perks. Traffic gridlock hill stations should tell governments they need to change their approach to tourism. The New Year holiday session has begun, and photos from popular Himalayan tourist destinations reveal traffic gridlock. If not for the scenic surroundings, it could be a typical everyday urban Indian experience. It needn't be this big. Biodiversity hotspot. India's two great mountain ranges, Himalayan region and the Western Ghats, are among two of the country's four biodiversity hotspots. There are 15 national parks and 59 sanctuaries in the Himalayan region. Tourism key role. These mountain ranges are unique on the tourist map because they attract both the regular tourists as well as millions of pilgrims, as they host some popular religious sites. For example, in J&K, the pilgrim traffic between 2011 and 2020 outnumbered the regular tourist flow to Kashmir Valley. Unsustained numbers. Uttarakhand and Sikkim, two popular tourist destinations, have also witnessed serious natural disaster recently. It is an indicator of their ecological fragility. The uh, growing tourist footfalls with the concurrent demand for more built-up areas increased ecological risk here. Uttarakhand's population in 2011 was related over 10 million. By the end of the decade, the annual tourist inflow was around 7 million. In Sikkim, the residents to tourist ratio was far more skewed. The state's population in 2011 was 6.5 lakh, while the annual tourist inflow by 2019 was 1.5 million. Economic gains, environmental cost, tourism represents a significant source of economic activity in the mountain ranges and therefore cannot be done away with. The problem lies in the nature of tourism that is being encouraged. Ecotourism is an alternative. Ecotourism, which cater to travelers more sensitive to nature, is booming globally. India's mountain ranges with their biodiversity are ideal spots for it. Changing the focus from a contemporary mass market approach to ecotourism will also alter the nature of infrastructural demand. The mass market approach with unsustainable environmental costs is the common thread running through all kinds of tourism in the mountain ranges. If states wants to sustain this growing source of income, they need to adjust their regulatory approach to incentivize a different kind of tourist. Thank you.